Of course, also like to avoid the inside lane, because initially you need to prioritize yourself in the second lane to avoid being trapped and potentially tripped, and then gradually you move to the inside as at the first corner. So getting underway out here, getting into the lead immediately is the Pooja from Haryana. Pooja 4 minutes 09.52, her personal best this season, of course, 4:10.83. She's been the 2023 or 2025 Asian Championship silver medalist. She's come here with a lot of expectation. The World Championship qualifying mark 401.50. Pooja, tall, diminutive. I always say that she's also fit to be a wonderful actress. Tall, lanky, good looking. She's got the ingredients of a good 1500 meters runner out there. The others now making sure that they will want to move gradually from the inside to the outside. A lot of these athletes know very well that you do not need to go very fast, because if you do that, sprinting from the gun that we just saw earlier on to take the early lead may get you the fatigue, and then it makes it difficult for you to maintain the stronger pace later.
Yes, sir, as of now, it is Pooja who is in the lead, being closely followed by Amandeep Kaur and Lilita.
So the three India favorites, I would really say, are 1, 2 and 3. Pooja, Lilita, the young girl, in fact she's the shorter of them. And then you got Amandeep Kaur. Amandeep Kaur represents Punjab, Pooja represents Haryana, and Lily Das represents West Bengal. This girl has done wonders. Lily Das, 2016 Asian Junior Champion, 4:10.88. The defending champion is Lily Das, so she's here, 4:13.87, which she set in Panchkula. And the Kenyans, of course, have been very good at this in the Indian all-comers. We've still got 2 laps to go. They're at the far side of the home straight. You need to find your rhythm. That's what Pooja is doing. All these three are wonderful runners, Muthu. I've seen so much of each of them. Pooja, Amandeep Kaur and Lily Das. Now look at the difference between 1, 2 and 3 and the others out there. These are the 3 for sure who to me would be 1, 2, 3 at the end. The question is it going to be Pooja? Is it going to be Amandeep Kaur? Or is it going to be Lily Das? That's the big question.
Yes, they are the top 3, and of course for the 4th we have Hoidram Devi of Manipur, and at the 5th place presently it is Tota Sangeetana of Chhattisgarh.
Yes, the others are experienced, but perhaps not as experienced as these 3 girls. The pattern continues to be the same. We will now have the final 400 meters coming up here. The last lap, Pooja goes there. There's Lily Das. She is known to sprint away. Lily Das, she is now in 2nd. Amandeep Kaur is being pushed to the 3rd. Is it between Pooja and Lily Das? There she is. That big number of hers, 703. Pooja, cool like a cucumber. At the back straight. This is where Lily Das will want to break through. She's looking at her surroundings there. She's got to monitor Pooja very. This is a duel between 2 wonderful athletes whom we've been watching here on this channel for a long time. Oh, she looks back. She knows Lily Das that she's not in trouble. But Pooja it is who will take it away, I suspect. She's very cool. She's used to these conditions. She's now bracing herself to the finale. She will take it away and take it away in style to take the gold. Lily Das follows. Amandeep will come back there to take the bronze.
Yes, that was a wonderful race, and of course in the last curve and the home stretch it is expected that Lily Das of Uttarakhand will be putting up more speed to catch the leader, Pooja of Haryana, but it was not so. Pooja of Haryana in the last stretch was able to gain more speed and move